This is chicken coop engineering, and we got the thing all framed in. Got chickens inside. Getting it done. Getting her done. Got some license plates right there. Little latch door. Chickens. That's where the egg thing goes. Nests, all that. Finish up all that. Gonna site it eventually finish the inside, but we got brooders on the inside. Brooders, nesting boxes, and yeah, just about done. Chicken coop engineering part, whatever part it is. It's been a labor of love. I don't know. Chickens are freaking.
On our flagpole that day.